My video is about removing the ransomware called CAMBIARE ROTTA. This video will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this CAMBIARE ROTTA ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them essentially. As I said, this ransomware encrypts files on computers that are improperly protected against ransomware or malware attacks. So it actually means that you need to have a reliable security software in place which could actually protect your computer and your files, your documents ahead of time to prevent intrusion of ransomware such as CAMBIARE ROTTA. But very often it is too late and the ransomware may actually perform its malicious job and actually damage the files. The ransomware then reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. It also replaces the desktop background. The ransomware note actually is titled as CAMBIARE ROTTA ransomware. You should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. To get there, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching your system. Click on Start Scan. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware and other threats. So after the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching and investigating the computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.